So can the use of wrong engine oil damage my car's engine?
Yeah, obviously, because the right kind of engine oil is very important. It's like a blood in the your body. So similarly, for a specified engine oil, if you use a very different kind of an engine oil, it can damage the car. So it is very useful or very necessary to only use the recommended engine oils.
So what is the recommended oil change interval of synthetic oil?
So as I mentioned earlier, it is generally specified by the OEMs and we try to go with that. However, if you use a very high quality synthetic engine oil, you can run your car safely beyond 12 to 15,000 kilometers.
So does the type of engine oil affect engine performance?
Yes, definitely it does. If you use the right kind of engine oil and specifically if you use synthetic engine oils, they will keep the engine very clean, because the four important things which an engine oil does is not only lubrication, but heat dissipation, detergency, as well as the wear and tear, managing the wear and tear. So the right kind of engine oil can manage all these things, keep your engine cool, and your resale value of the car becomes better.
GS Caltex Kixx, always with you.